Mat at nakaupo na rin. So we're here in Greenfield. Greenfield. Family restaurant.
Yeah. Good place for brunch.
Yes, we love it. It's good for brunch. Alamig kasi. So, tanggalin ko muna yung coat ko.
Just fine.
Good.
Thank
You want
you.
some drinks for you to start?
Coffee.
Coffee?
Do you have tea?
Tea, red rose, or herbal tea, or what?
Herbal tea.
Herbal is fine if you like.
Do you have lemon?
We do.
Yeah,
I got that
thank
right.
you. Ayan ko kasi, ano yung ano ko. So here, usually, ang gusto ko talaga yung smoked baked. Smoked salmon breakfast.
Where do you see that?
Mixi breakfast. I might try Mixi breakfast bowl.
Mexi breakfast bowl?
It's come with potato wedges, taco beef.
Taco beef.
Oh, I might not don't like
No, you
that.
don't like that.
Yeah. I don't like the smell of the taco. So, I think did you get the classic bowl before? It's bacon, breakfast sausage, parmesan, egg, hollandaise, and fish fries.
Mine got something similar.